So gentlemen, today we will be having the demo of individual obstacles of Army and Navy. Okay. So basically there are 10 obstacles. You need to cross all those 10 obstacles within 3 minutes of time. Okay. Now, first of all, I will detail you about the task. Thereafter, two of you will be attempting the obstacle. Okay. So in this way, you will be clear. It will be clear to you that how to attempt the obstacle. Clear? Now see, this is the 1 mark task in Indian Army as well as in Navy, in my history of Navy and Army. This is called as podium jump. Here, what you are required to do, you need to come by running, take a jump from this podium to the ground. Okay. Here you will find the height is around 2.5 feet to 3 feet, and here it may go up to 3 feet to 4 feet. Okay. So simply you need to come by running, take a jump to the ground. Okay. Any of two of you can go and show the time. Any two of you. Okay, clear? Yes, sir. Easy? Yes, sir. This is called as drum jump. You can see the entire obstacle is painted with red color. And you can observe that there are barbed wires above this. Okay. This one is for men's and that one is for women's. Okay. So basically you need to cross this obstacle, you need to take a kind of a long jump. You can come from this side or from that side. Okay. And you need to cross the entire obstacle. Any two of you can come and show the time. Clear? Yes, sir. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, move to next. ये जब एक टास्क से दूसरे पे आते हैं ना, एक दो पे तोड़ते हैं. Obstacles in Indian Army, this is called as beam balance. Here what you are required to do, simply come over here, keep your hand straight and simply walk on this. While you are walking, you must keep your hand straight so that you can keep your body actions balanced. Okay. While you are at the end, you will simply take a jump to the ground. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Two of you can do.
Sir.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Fast, good job, run fast.
Which one? Okay, this is the 4 marks obstacle. This is called as flag jump. Here you can see there is a red color flag. Okay. What you are required to do, simply come by running, take a jump, and from here you will take a kind of a high jump and you need to land on the ground. If you touch this, then then it will be
Foul.
okay. So if you are committing the foul, then what is the penalty for that?
Repeat that obstacle
again. Okay. So if you are unable to complete the obstacle in 2 attempts, then what?
We have to move ahead.
You move ahead and come back to that obstacle
Later on.
end. Okay. Clear? So any two of you can show the demo. Okay. Next. Okay. This one is called as Burma Bridge. This is 5 marks obstacles in Army and Navy. Okay. Here what you are required to do, you may climb the bridge from either side of the ladder. You may climb from this side or from this side. Okay. You have to go at the top. Then thereafter you need to hold the rope from your hands and you will slide from one side to another. Okay. And simply you will come down. Clear?
Yes, sir.
gentlemen, this is the 6 marks obstacle. This is called as Tarzan
Swing.
Okay. Here what you are required to do, you need to climb the ladder, go at the top of the podium. Thereafter groundsman will give you the rope. Once you have holded the rope, you will take a swing like a Tarzan. And here you can see a mark with the made up of brick. Okay. So you need to land after this mark. If you land before this mark, then it will be
Foul.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
while taking swing, you need to shout like a
Tarzan.
Okay. So you have to shout like a
Tarzan.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So here, any two of you can give the demo. First person will give the demo and second person will act as a groundsman. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now move to next. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, move to next. So gentlemen, this one is called as double ditch. This is 8 marks obstacle. Okay. Keep in mind one thing, this 8 marks obstacle is optional for girls. Okay. So for the women entry it is optional. If they want to do, they can do. If they don't want, you can skip. Okay. So here what you are required to do, come by running, take a jump from here. Thereafter you will hold the rope, swing yourself to this podium. The moment you are at this podium, you will leave the rope. Then again you will take a jump to another podium. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any two of you can show the demo. Good. Foul. तो रोप छोड़ दिए कि नहीं? वहाँ पे पहुँच गए, रोप पकड़े जैसे ही छोड़ा वैसे ही जंप ले गए. यहाँ पर रोप छोड़ोगे इस जगह पर, ठीक है, और रोप छोड़ करके अपने आप को स्टेबल करोगे, तब उधर जाओगे. तुमने रोप छोड़ी नहीं कि तुम जंप कर गए. Okay, this is 9 marks obstacle. This is called as commando. Okay, so you can climb from this side or from that side. Okay, what you have to do, simply you need to climb, go at the top, then you will face this side. Okay, and the moment you reach at the podium, okay, you will keep your hands on your waist like this, and you need to shout commando chest number 28, 29, whatever your chest number is. You need to shout like a commando. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Thereafter you simply come down, but keep in mind something is red over here.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you touch the red, then what is it?
Foul.
So avoid doing foul. Okay, any two of you can show the demo.
Commando, chest number 28.
Okay, next.
Commando, chest number 33.
Okay, gentlemen. This is the last 10 marks obstacle. This is called as Tiger Leap. So here what you are required to do, you need to climb at the top of the ladder. Thereafter you need to take a leap like a tiger. Okay. Balance your body action. Once the rope is stable, then you will slowly come down. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, any two of you can show me. Yes, sir. Now come down. Okay, so this is the perfect way to do. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are 4 more obstacles in Indian Air Force.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, I'll be showing you the obstacles, and we'll be having the demo of those 4 obstacles also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the 10 obstacles of Indian Army as well as
Navy.
Okay. So move to the tire obstacle. See, gentlemen, this is the tire jump. Okay. This is there in Air Force. This is not in Army and Navy. Here, what you are required to do, simply hold the rope, and you have to cross your body from this tire. Okay. Sometimes they ask you to cross your body after holding the tire, but here I am asking you to cross your body after holding the rope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any two of you can do this. Any two of you can show me. Okay. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now see this one. This one is called as rope climbing. This is 10 marks obstacle in Indian Air Force. Here what you are required to do, simply you need to climb the rope minimum up to 4 to 5 meters. Okay. Or as much as you can. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood? After climbing it, you need to slowly come down. Clear? Keep mind, you have to come down slowly. अगर तेजी से आ गए, then your hands might get injured.
Damage.
Okay, clear? Any two of you can show the demo.
End तक जाना.
That's all. Come down. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you got the trick? You need to hold it with the help of legs.
Legs.
Okay. See, this one is called wall climbing. This is again in Indian Air Force. This is an 8-foot tall wall. Okay. So what you are required to do, come by running, take a jump, go at the top of the wall, then you will jump to next side. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Any two of you can show the demo. Yes, sir. Here you see the ladders, this side and this side. You can climb the structure with the help of ladder from either side. Okay. They understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, once you are at the top, you will crawl from one side to other side like a monkey. Okay. And the moment you are at the end, यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि सर तुम्हारा यहाँ पर जाए. So the moment you are up to here, you will simply come down. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Any two of you can show the demo. Sir. Okay. Get down. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You can do this also. No problem. हाथ में जाता है. Understood? Yes, sir. So these are the obstacles of your Indian Air Force as well as Indian Army and Navy. Okay. So total number of obstacles are 14, including Air Force and Navy, Air Force, Army and Navy. But in 3 minutes of time, you need to cross how many obstacles?
10 obstacles.
Okay. So within, if you are able to cross all the obstacles, that's very good. Keep in mind one thing: it's not necessary that you have to start from serial number 1. All the obstacles will be in a jumbled up manner. You can start from anywhere you want. Okay. See, try to grab more and more marks as much as you can. Okay. And attempt the obstacle as per your body fitness. If you feel that you can easily do it without committing any kind of foul, then only attempt that obstacle. Otherwise, if you are committing foul, then that is not considered good injury. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So do you have any kind of doubt regarding this?
No, sir.
Okay. So that will be all. Gentlemen, you can go and take the test.
Thank you, sir.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे।